So here's our cornfield, here's our oats field. This is oats and alfalfa, and you can see these are new alfalfa plants right here. These are planted in with the oats, but it's just too dry. We just haven't had any rain. Nothing can do anything. You can see our corn is all shriveled up here. So yeah, it's not ideal. Here's our alfalfa fields. You can see that it's headed out, but there's just nothing here. Plants are there, but they're just too dry. Can't do anything. Can't grow. It's headed out. Got about a foot tall and headed out. It's gonna be a rough winter. That's all I can say. Not gonna be much feed. Hopefully we can make it through it. No matter where you look, the ground, this is what you see. There's cracks everywhere. We got about a ½ inch of rain in 2 months. Nothing can survive on that. We never see these types of situations in Wisconsin where we live. Maybe once every 10 years, but I guess I got lucky this year. Caught it.